Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
After putting in the Ford cargo mat, it became apparent that the cargo area looked a little incomplete. The seat backs are carpeted, which I still think is a weird choice by Ford. When the seats are folded for more storage space, you end up with more carpeted area that will get gross. I guess you wouldn't want leather back here, but this carpeting is just awful to clean. So I went ahead and bought some aftermarket seat back protectors. As you can see, they come bagged. No fancy packaging here. There are 4 pieces to the set. The 2 seat backs, and then those flaps at the bottom that sort of bridge the gap between the cargo area and seats when they are folded flat. The largest piece was folded in the packaging, which kinda sucks as there is sort of a visible seam. Hopefully that comes out when it's installed. All the pieces have those Velcro hooks applied to them, which will grab onto the carpet when installed. It seemed obvious that these would probably be easier to install if the rear seats were laying flat, so I folded them down. I put the passenger side pieces on first as they were smaller and would let me see how things went. It was pretty straightforward, and they fit reasonably well. Once the Velcro hits the carpet, it sticks really good. You definitely want to get the alignment right before most of the protector touches, or it will be hard to adjust the fit after. The lower pieces are pretty easy to line up. The larger pieces can be a little more problematic. The top edges don't line up perfectly with the seats, but I think it's easiest to align the holes in the protectors with the tie-down locations. I'm not thrilled that you can still see where the driver's side lower panel was folded. I wish the manufacturer didn't pack it that way. It's not really bad, and it won't hurt functionality, but it still bothers me a little. But I think I have a little OCD in me too. When I opened the tailgate, my wife immediately saw what had changed and was very pleased with the addition. I think this mod was a clear winner. If you already have or plan on getting some kind of rubber cargo mat, then I think adding these rubber protectors to the rear seat backs are a must. If you're interested in getting the type used in this video, I'll provide links to them in the description below. Well, I hope some of you found this video useful. Until next time, see you later.